Welcome back to the Motorhome era. Today we are diving into a detailed and highly practical motorhome review, mixed with something every RV owner needs but often forgets: the top 5 forgotten RV maintenance tips. This script will guide viewers through a full real-world motorhome analysis, including exterior design, interior usability, performance on the road, and the hidden upkeep steps that can save thousands in repairs. Let's get into the experience like you're right there walking around the coach, sliding behind the wheel, and taking it for a real-world drive. When you first walk up to this motorhome, the exterior immediately tells you what kind of owner experience you'll get. The paint job has that clean metallic sheen that holds up well in sunlight. But what most people forget is that the exterior isn't just about looks. A lot of new owners assume a wash is enough, but the body panels, seals, and roof joints actually need regular protective treatments. If ignored, UV damage can slowly dry out the caulking, leading to cracks that allow moisture to seep in behind the walls. This RV shows how important this is. The factory sealing is solid and clean, but you can tell that owners who skip seal checks end up with subtle bubbling in the side walls or tiny water stains that can eventually turn into huge repair jobs. The most forgotten maintenance step here is checking roof seams twice a year. Not exciting, but absolutely necessary. Moving around the exterior, the storage bay layout is surprisingly practical. The latches feel strong, the hinges smooth, and the insulation around the compartments shows good quality. One common mistake people make is ignoring lock lubrication. Dust and road debris eventually get inside the mechanisms. Over time, the pressure on the latch mounts increases and the locks begin to stick or jam. A simple lubricant spray once every few months keeps them smooth and prevents expensive replacements later. This motorhome's layout allows easy access to the bays, and the weight distribution feels balanced, making the drive more stable. The tires are another major point. The RV drives well thanks to its wide stance and sturdy rubber. But even the best tires need proper care. The forgotten rule many RV owners ignore is checking the tire age instead of just checking the tread. RV tires often look new on the outside, but the inner layers degrade after 5 to 6 years, whether you use them or not. That leads to blowouts on long road trips. This particular rig handles corners nicely, the sidewalls feel firm, and road vibration is minimal. But even the most stable motorhome becomes a risk if tire dates are ignored. Tire inflation also plays a massive role in handling. Underinflated tires create sway, especially on windy highways, while overinflated tires reduce braking control. The perfect pressure is printed on the coach's spec plate, but many owners forget it exists. Now stepping inside, the first thing you notice is the clean layout. The interior has a smooth flow from the living space to the kitchen to the bedroom, making it feel more like a compact apartment on wheels. The upholstery is comfortable, the lighting is warm, and the cabinetry hinges feel sturdy. But one of the most ignored interior maintenance steps is cleaning and conditioning.